Ẹ̀lẹ́ gbogbo lé. Ní ìtẹ̀síwájú ẹ̀kọ́ wa pẹ̀lú obìnrin rèsé tí orúkọ rẹ̀ jẹ́ Lọ́lá. Mo kí ẹ kú ìgbìyànjú lórí ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀. Ìtẹ̀síwájú ẹ̀kọ́ wa tòní ó ní pé a ó kọ́ nípa bí a ṣe ń lo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìbéèrè. Lára àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìbéèrè tí a ó kọ́ nípa ẹ̀ ní alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ni KINI. Like I said, we're going to be learning some words that are used to ask questions. One of them is KINI, which is what? NIBO, where? Is what? NIBO, where? TAANI, who? MELO, how many? KILODE, what happened? NIBO, which one? So, KINI, NIBO, TAANI, MELO, KILODE, NIBO. Let's say it again. KINI, NIBO, TAANI, MELO, KILODE, NIBO. Remember, it's a Yoruba class for social or professional interaction, and I'm back presently teaching foreign students. Lola is my student now. So I hope all the people are going to join us with time. So, KINI, NIBO, TAANI, MELO, KILODE, NIBO. Let's go again. KINI, NIBO, TAANI, MELO, KILODE, NIBO. We're going to start with KINI. KINI, orúkọ rẹ. Orúkọ mi ni Lola. KINI ò ń ṣe? Mo ń ṣe iṣẹ́. KINI o fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ owó. Or sometimes say mo fẹ́ oúnjẹ. I want to eat. I want money. KINI mo ṣe? O kò ṣe nǹkan kan. O kò ṣe nǹkan kan. KINI ó ṣẹlẹ̀? Kò sí nǹkan kan. Somebody came in and he was panting. I was like, what happened? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kò sí nǹkan kan. I only mo kàn sáré lásán ni. Òun làyà mi fi ń lo òkè bẹ́yẹn. KINI ò ń sọ? Mò ń sọ Yorùbá. Let's say it once again. KINI orúkọ rẹ? Orúkọ mi ni Lola. You put in your name there. That's my student is Lola. KINI ò ń ṣe? Mò ń ṣe iṣẹ́. You don't need to take it so fast like the English you speak. Just take it gently as a slow learner and you learn slowly. KINI o fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ owó. KINI mo ṣe? O kò ṣe nǹkan kan. KINI ó ṣẹlẹ̀? Kò sí nǹkan kan. KINI ò ń sọ? Mò ń sọ Yorùbá. Mò ń sọ èdè òyìnbó. These are the things we're going to learn. As we move on in our next class, we're going to pick words that start with NIBO. And as we move on, we also use the words like TAANI. These are words we use frequently. And as we move on, we'll continue to teach ourselves. I think you should memorize this. You should use them often as we learn. We've learned some words that I can combine with this. KINI o fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ owó. KINI o fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ oúnjẹ. KINI o fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ iyọ̀. KINI o fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ ata. Kí ló fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ iṣu. Kí ló fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ àga. Kí ló fẹ́? Mo fẹ́ gègé. I want pen. This is where we're going to end our class today. Thank you very much for listening. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ tẹ́ ń tẹ́tí sí wa. Ó dàbọ̀.